Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 24th of August till 30th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so let's see now. And as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, now so let's see what is there for my Pisces. So I was going to say Scorpios, sorry. So what's there for my Pisces? What is there? 3 shuffles please. One more. Alright, so I'm going to see your past, present and future energies. Alright. Alright, so at the back of the deck it's the 7 of Cups. So this card has come up after a long time. After a long time I'm seeing this card. So 7 of Cups, it is telling me about possibilities, different possibilities, different kinds of opportunities, and where you are like looking towards many opportunities, many things in your life, and it's like seeing more options as well. So let's see what options are you looking at. So your past energies are 5 of Rods, 7 of Rods and Knight of Swords. So you have taken some kind of an action. In fact, this action was more about where you actually took a stand for yourself. So you really are ready to fight for yourself or your family members or anyone whom you really love or whom you are really connected to. See, and this was like where you really want that some things should not be hidden. So that is something I'm really getting. Your present energies are 10 of Cups, Knight of Pentacles and the High Priestess. Okay, so I'm getting that it's like a very slow energy at your present, but you're happy. You are just sitting and you're happy. You are not like doing a lot of action, because sometimes it's like when you fight for yourself, when you do a lot of stuff, you also need some time to rest. You also need peace, and that's why I'm seeing that you are like enjoying some kind of a time. You are enjoying your it's like sitting and just observing people. Like, okay, so I see you, and see this Knight of Pentacles and this High Priestess. I'm seeing that with this with High Priestess, she knows everything. She knows that. So you are talking to me, really? Okay, so what are you talking about? Okay, and she already knows this truth. So she's just like listening to people, listening to the bullshit of people, and that kind of energy, sitting and listening. Okay, in your future energies you have Justice, 3 of Swords and 2 of Rods. Ooh. Well, I will not come to any conclusion right now, but it is actually showing me that there is some kind of a different paths, like 2 people having different paths. So that kind of an energy over here, where you have something else to do in your life, someone else is doing, and you both are like parting ways. So this is like that, but we will clarify. Okay, so let's see, why is the 7 of Cups in your past energies? 10 of Swords with the Tower. Oh my god. So I am not seeing that this is like going towards the possibilities. I'm seeing more like the ending. When you are ending some options from your life. Not even options, it's like you are you are in that position. Let me show you. You are in that position where you are not ready to explore other options. You are ready to end the options. You are ready to just go for one thing at a time. For just one thing, I'm saying. Like you have 10 things, going on in your life, but you are more concerned about that particular thing. So that is why you are just ending all other options, you are ending all other energies with the 7 of cups. You are not looking. So this is more about a 7 of cups in reverse, reversed. So this is why I'm really feeling that energy, really a strong energy of ending those that clouds from your mind, where one option is family, one option is work, one option is girlfriend boyfriend, one option is um, money or career, something like that. When you have a lot of things in your life, so you are ending all thing and you are just concentrating on one particular thing, I'm saying. Okay, so let's see why is this 5 of rods. So 6 of pentacles is here, and 2 of rods in your past energies as well. Okay, so there was a confusion, but I think you have fought with your confusion, and you took a step. Here. Yeah, basically you were in confusion and you took a step. You took like, okay, which road to go. So finally you decided, okay, this road to go. So there I'm seeing that you have taken a step over here. Let's see why is the 7 of rods here in your past energies. Temperance with the Ace of Pentacles. So you have taken a stand over here in this 7 of wands, and with the Temperance and Ace of Pentacles, this is a very calming energy. When taking a stand doesn't only means that you start fighting with the other person to take a stand. No, it's like taking a stand means telling the inner thoughts, telling the feelings about what you were feeling for that situation or that person. So basically that is what happened, when your mind and your heart were balanced and you actually approached someone or some situation, and you exactly told the other person that what was the situation, why I did this, why I did that. So something like that. Okay, and over here it was not just like thought. It was actually you actually brought that thing in action with the Knight of Swords, where you were like, I'm ready to fight. Even if you really want me to fight for you or to fight for the situation, I'm ready to fight. Okay, so let's see why the 10 of cups is here in your present energies. 6 of cups and the Hangman. So for some of you it might be a reconciliation with the 6 of cups. Old people, or not old people, old means old memories, and like your childhood memories, and the person with whom you have met in your childhood or something, coming back. So this is some kind of reconciliation for someone, but it's still hanging in. So the decision has not been made yet, but it's like, yes, it's going on. Let's see. So I'm really feeling that you are waiting for this decision, because you see a happy family with someone over here. Let's see why the High Priestess is here in your present energies. 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so and you really want it strong. You really want it like, okay, I want it right now. You really want someone or want something. I don't know, because your heart already knows that. You already know that if this is a person or somebody in your life, for whom you were fighting in your past as well. So I'm seeing that you are ready to, even is it you or is it someone else? So someone is ready to have a family with someone. With the Ten of Pentacles, see how they are so happy with each other, and like, they're content, they are, happily ever after kind of a situation. Very beautiful energies. You even might be, how to establish yourself, how to do stuff, but you are waiting for some decision, or you are just not waiting, you are thinking about something, like, is this the right time or not, like analyzing the situation. Basically, that is what you are doing. You are seeing the situation from different angles. That is what you are doing. Okay. So for the Justice in your future, let's see why the Justice is here. King of Rods, Nine of Pentacles, and Four of Pentacles. So you are holding on to someone over here, I'm seeing, but with the Justice, it's like that, you really need, if it's you, it's like you really need to balance some things right now, when you really need to decide, and you just cannot take a step, just like that, and you are holding on to that situation, and I'm seeing that you are not taking any action, no, but people around you, or this might be you, might be other person, like, someone is really focused on their career or something like that, and someone is really passionate over here, very passionate. I really feel it's you, like very passionate. This might be other person as well. So things, so this might be a court case or something, like with the Justice, when you really need to find justice for yourself, and someone is very much holding on for that justice, and will be like, I can do anything to get myself justice. That is the situation. Okay, so let's see why the Three of Swords is here in the future energies. Why the Three of Swords is here? The Chariot and the Magician. So okay, so moving on is right now the priority, rather than just holding back the situation, like just where you just think, like, love is not the only thing. When you are ready to just break your heart, and you're ready to get hurt, but you love to move on, that is the situation, and you're manifesting this thing. Very beautiful thing, but when sometimes, like, the situation is like that, you are there, you are holding on, and you want to move on, but you are not able to move on, but still you have that courage, you have that power to move on. So this is that energy, when your heart knows that I cannot move on from the person, I cannot move on from the situation, this is something which is holding me back, but still you have to move on. Okay, this is life. Two of Rods. Okay, so Two of Rods with the Ten of Cups and the Nine of Wands. So this is like, there are two situations in front of you with the Two of Rods, like two paths. So one path is going towards the enlightenment, where you have the happy family with someone, and you are ready to be with this person like whole of your life. And there's something like someone is really standing on their ground, like, no, I cannot accept this. So these are two situations over here, like a no and a yes. And the yes is like, I really want to move on with this person, I really am. And the no is like, the person is blocking me, and how can I move on? So this is that situation. All right, so that's all, Pisces. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.